Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today, I'll be making cornbread. You will need 1½ cups of cornmeal, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of salt. For this recipe, I'll be using a 10-inch skillet. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees, then place your skillet in the oven while we prepare the batter. To a bowl, add your buttermilk and milk. Now add the eggs, then whisk until well combined. To another bowl, add your cornmeal and flour. Now add your sugar and salt. Add the baking powder and baking soda, then whisk until well combined. Now add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix well. Add 6 tablespoons of your butter and mix until well combined. Remove the skillet from the oven, then add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter, then your batter. Decrease your oven temperature from 425 to 375, then return your skillet to the oven, then allow your cornbread to bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your cornbread is ready to serve. Don't forget to search the hashtag #SoulFoodSunday, then head on over to Cooking with CJ and Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what they're cooking up for this Soul Food Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
How to make great food with steps.